This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 4.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, blind spot assist, a low tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: the memory package, dual power seats, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cooled cup holders, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.